crew under the guns, right? You guys excited about that? You guys want to talk about the guns? All right. So, guys, listen up. We're not moving anywhere. We're going to stay right here, right?
Big, it looks like a cabin. It's a gun. This is called a 5-inch gun, and this is the strongest gun that the ship has, the biggest one, and the one that can shoot its projectiles the farthest.
Hooga chaka, hooga chaka, hooga chaka. I'm hooked on a feeling.
Hi, so my name is Barry Whitty, and I am the ship's electrician on USS Slater in Albany, New York, and I've been doing that for like 20 some odd years, and also was very instrumental in restoring the electric system on the Sullivans once it was recovered 2 years ago. So I'm here to do a lot of the electrical preparations, bringing in some talent from another museum ship, and we're always happy to help.
So what is your role in this process?
So I'm here with the USS KIDD to basically restore and make very reliable the ship's electrical system, the original electrical system, so that when we disconnect from shore power, which KIDD's been on since it arrived here in the 80s, for the first time being disconnected, they'll still have some electricity on board for the crew that rides the ship. Creature comforts like lighting, a little bit of ventilation, and then the more important things, power to run any pumps in case there's some seepage through the hull.
What's going on today?
Well, we just finished our first test of the diesel generator that's been put on the ship. Test was completely satisfactory. We were able to demonstrate that we can power all of the lights and the anchor windlass. The anchor windlass is an important piece of gear because if for any reason during the tow we need to stop, we'll be able to drop the anchor, which gravity has a large part of that. But to get it back up again, that could be a problem if you don't have electricity because we have an electric windlass. So making sure that we do have a means to power the windlass to retrieve the anchor, should it be used, is probably a pretty important thing. So that's what I'm doing is just putting labels on, so whatever crew ends up riding the ship, they may not be familiar with this ship. They can find things easy even if it's in the dark.
An empty life jacket, and I'm like, that's not good.